Hi everyone, I'm Milan with Illuma. Joining me today is Casey from Glia, and we're going to show you how Illuma and Glia have partnered to eliminate friction, enhance security, and improve efficiency in every voice engagement at your contact center. Now, I do most of my banking with community financial institutions like credit unions and community banks. And I do that because you put a real focus on relationships, always putting the member and customer first and delivering a warm and pleasant experience every time I walk into that door. But today, I find myself picking up the phone way more often than actually walking into a physical branch. And that experience is quite a bit different because it always starts with me having to prove who I am by answering a series of personal questions, which is not only frustrating, but completely different from what the experience I've become accustomed to while walking into a branch.
And I'm excited to share with everyone today that disconnect in experience can be a thing of the past. You can easily dump that painful authentication process and replicate the warmth and trust that you get when you walk into a brick and mortar location, but in the contact center with cutting-edge voice authenticated technology. Today we're going to demonstrate the fruits of our partnership between Glia and Illuma, and that's resulted in a state-of-the-art voice recognition, authentication, and fraud prevention platform, Illuma Shield, which has been integrated into our Glia contact center, which is our contact center as a service platform preferred by mid-sized banks and credit unions.
Absolutely. So let's go ahead and show our first demo of what passive voice authentication looks like within Glia Contact Center.
Hi, welcome to Cortex Financial. How may I help you?
Hi, my name is Milan Borkar, and my ID number is 111223333. I'm calling because I wanted to make a principal payment on my auto loan, and I'd like the funds drawn from my personal checking account that ends in 12345.
That's great. You've been verified by voice, and I'll be happy to assist you with that right now.
Thank you. So, you've been verified by voice. Doesn't that feel good? No pins, no passwords, no annoying Q&A. Simply voicing my service request in plain English, or any language for that matter, was sufficient for Illuma Shield to recognize me and authenticate me in real time. Illuma Shield will help eliminate friction, enhance security, and improve efficiency in every voice interaction in your contact center. And the best part is designed to be right-sized and affordable for mid-sized FIs like credit unions and community banks.
Great. We've seen how easy that was for both the agent and the customer. But what about the initial enrollment process? How easy to actually get set up?
Super easy, in fact, just as easy following a passive enrollment methodology. Let's go ahead and show our second demo of a brand new caller's experience. I'm going to make another call, but let's go with a brand new unregistered ID this time.
Let's do it. Welcome to Cortex Financial. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to apply for an auto loan.
Well, I'd love to help you with that, but first I need to verify your identity. Do you mind sharing your customer ID number?
Yeah, I think it is 999887777.
Great. Well, it looks like you're not registered with our voice ID program yet. Do you mind sharing your mother's maiden name, your best friend when you were 5 years old, and the first 10 digits of pi?
Let me think. Rita, Jimmy, and 3.1415926535.
That's actually amazing. It was all correct. Well, thanks for providing that information. So let's talk about that car. What type of car are you interested in? What type of job do you have? And then what's your annual income?
Okay, this is where it gets interesting. So I'm looking at a brand new Tesla Plaid, but I'm a PhD student and my annual stipend is about $20,000.
Ooh, I think that's going to be a tough one. Not sure I can loan you that much money, but I'd love to get you into something more affordable.
And you know what? I think I'm going to wait a little bit, save up for a bigger down payment, and maybe I'll try again next time.
Hey, I totally understand. But before you go, I'd like to register you in our voice identification program. If you don't mind, do you mind opting in and just letting me know if you'd like to participate?
Yeah, absolutely. Sounds fun. How do I sign up?
Actually, you just did. All I need is your consent saying yes.
Well, thank you. That was easy, and I look forward to speaking with you when I've saved up a little bit more money next time.
Very good.
Thanks. So what you saw here was passive enrollment. And what that means is, obviously with the permission of the caller, the technology is able to create what we call an audio print in the background of a normal customer service call. Super easy to get your customers and members to say yes, and at the end of that call, they're already registered, and they can get to the fast lane the next time they call.
Well, that's great. That was easy. And how many times does a member or customer actually have to call the system before they learn the voice?
Just one time. We need one good voice engagement to create that first audio print, very high quality with high verification rates. But the beautiful part is we also have a active learning technology working in the background. So with every repeat call, we continue learning and adapting to the caller's voice to get better, faster, and more accurate with every repeat call.
And please tell me it's just as much of a breeze to connect with our Glia contact center?
Yeah, absolutely. It's a piece of cake, especially with Glia. Our last 2 clients deployed the technology within an afternoon, and we're fully live in the production contact center in less than 3 weeks. It's magic, right? Well, how do we do it? It's based on a focus, a real relentless focus on the needs of mid-sized financial institutions like credit unions and community banks. And that focus has really resulted in a solution that is easy to deploy, easy to maintain, easy to train, and easy to use, as you saw in the demos, all without having a big bank budget. Appreciate everyone's time and attention today. Thank you for the opportunity to show you how Glia and Illuma are partnering to eliminate friction, enhance security, and improve efficiency in every contact center engagement. If you like what you saw, please stop by our booth to say hello, and don't forget to vote us Best in Show. Thank you.
Thank you very much.